Thank you guys for checking out and for joining. Thank you for newcomers and for the ones who already been on this channel. Guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You don't have to hit the notification button. Just hit that subscribe button. It will greatly help out this channel. Let's get into some Tera, baby. Written by Mark Brannon from the Crypto Basic. So Tera Classic Development Group launches validator to fund LUNC. LUNC, Luna Classic growth. It seemed like as if they're putting everything into Tera Classic. Tera Classic LUNC will fund development from validators' profits. In a tweet on Sunday, Tera Vida, a group dedicated to Tera Classic development, disclosed that it had partnered with High Stakes Switzerland to launch a validator to help generate funding for Tera Classic development activities. Our volunteers have self-funded for 4 months, helping implement governance proposal, developing code, and restoring governance to give Luna a chance. LUNC, Tera Classic, a chance of life. Tera Vida helps this by funding those members sustainable and others. The group wrote in a thread encouraging people to stake with the validator to encourage Tera Classic development. And here it is on Twitter. So far, the community has welcomed the news of the validator launch. All agree that the contributors deserve compensation for their efforts. Additionally, it bears mentioning that it also provides an incentive for increased development activity on the network. Unlike most blockchains, the now community-owned Tera Classic lacks access to venture capital, funding, or cache of reserve tokens for development. Tera Vida disclosed that its team includes Edward Kim, Marventus WP, and Rex Yeller Belly, among others. Notably, all these individuals have been significantly involved in Tera Classic development and promoting in recent months. For example, Edward Kim is the author of the latest 1.2 tax burn proposal that has ushered in a new wave of excitement around the ecosystem as it promises to cut down on the excess Luna Classic supply, which is like 6 trillion. That's a lot. The 1.2 tax perimeter change is expected to go live within 24 hours. Notably, it remains unclear if the funds generated will be exclusive to Tera Vida members alone or fund all the Tera rebels. The current umbrella group for Tera Classic developers, according to the former Tera rebel Akbar, who controversially left the group earlier this month, the former is likely the case. Tera rebel commenting on the development said, "Finally, Tera Vida has launched a validator so that people can help sustainable fund work to help promote and rebuild Luna Classic." The rebuilding of Luna Classic, baby. Thank you guys. Like, subscribe, share.